Creating a new column based on if-elif-else condition. I have a data frame df. I want to create a new column based on the following criteria. If row equals b column 0. If row is greater than b column 1. If row A is lower than b column -1. So given the above table, it should be. For typical if-else cases, I do np dot where df.a is greater than df.b, 1, -1. Does pandas provide a special syntax for solving my problem with one step, without the necessity of creating 3 new columns and then combining the result?
To formalize some of the approaches laid out above, create a function that operates on the rows of your data frame like so. Then apply it to your data frame passing in the axis equals 1 option. Of course, this is not vectorized, so performance may not be as good when scaled to a large number of records. Still, I think it is much more readable, especially coming from a sauce background. Edit. Here is the vectorized version.
Easy to solve using indexing. The first line of code reads like so: if column A is equal to column B, then create and set column C equal to 0.
For this particular relationship, you could use np.sign.
When you have multiple if conditions, numpy.select is the way to go.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.